DLTR stock analysis, DLTR stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and trade. I'm the only guy in the stock trading space with an actual 46,000 video track record and proof of everything, so I've seen what's working for me and what's not. This thing is pumping, which I'm a big fan. What I'll do is just take this, do it like that. With where we are, bro, let's go here, 30-minute chart. Yep, for me to really be bullish, because it freaking gapped, I must see a confirmation and a double break, and if I do not, then I'm not gonna buy. Not gonna buy, like I'm genuinely telling you. So all I'm doing here in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules. And with DLTR, I also have around not much receipts, honestly speaking, like not a lot. So that's DLTR, not financial advice. And if you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I will continue to keep you updated. Okay, bye bye.